Hello. My video this morning, the balance is going to be about releasing patterns that are not of light and love. So, patterns of fear, of anger, of hate, of frustration. And the way that the world is manipulating people is by fear and guilt. So these aren't energies of the light. These aren't energies of goodness. These aren't energies of empowerment. And those that love the control, those that love the hyper ability to tell people what to think, are using these forces massively to create the world that they want. So if you think for a few seconds, what is it that you want in the world? What is it that you want in your life? I'm sort of thinking we need to feel loved, we need to feel appreciated, we need to feel able to make our own decisions, we need to feel able to control our own lives, we need to feel sovereign, true, and worthy of everything that is good and happy and free. So that's my intention for our little balance this morning. Okay, see you soon.